Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Power Collab new edition, new year. So, in the month of the January, we will go with the short videos of the Power Collabs, not like a really long video. So, you have enough time to just have a look in your breaks, off times, during your so boring meetings, and so on. And today, I would start with Myers. So, he is going to talk about a very interesting topic, which is the Chrome extension, Prettify My Web APIs for the Microsoft Dataverse. So, over to you, Myers.
Thanks, Ambesh. Yeah, I will share the name of the of the extension first. So let's prettify my web API. And I think if you only Google that, you will find the extension directly. It's not by me, it's by some guy, if I looked it up correctly, Eric Donker. And so you probably, if you work with Dataverse and model-driven apps, you probably know the level up extension. And you have functionality here like all fields, which lists you all the fields that are there, not only the fields that are on the form. And you have a similar functionality if we take the, I need to find it, open record in Web API. I usually like to pretty print it. Then you can also see the data from the backend perspective. And now if we have the second icon here, the Prettify My Web API icon, if I do the same thing on a record, it just opens up exactly the view, the Web API view, but it puts an hashtag P at the end, which tells the plugin, I think, that it's now its job to do something. And yeah, you can already see it's even prettier than the pretty printing of the browser. We can see more, we can see, for example, the lookups grouped here. We can also see here for this option set column, the name as well as the actual value and so on. So, okay, it's pretty, but that's not game changing if you already have level up. What's game changing is the fact that I have here an option to edit this row. And hidden column 1 and hidden column 2 I have on no form. So even with the God mode of the level up plugin, I wouldn't be able to edit these. So this in the past, this has led me to make a hidden tab, right? And then put fields I need to, for example, trigger a plugin or a flow into that tab. Just to have them available for my development to change them. And here I can just say put a different value here. I save it, then I get a summary of what I'm changing. And let's commit the save. And now the data is changed and from a backend, right? So there's no JavaScript interfering. So if I need to overrule some things that are in the form, easily done from here. I can also, this is over here, I can create a new row. So I can fake a situation maybe where the record is created by an interface and also wouldn't apply to the rules that the form puts on the user, maybe autofilling some fields and so on. So this whole things do not happen because this is the backend, right? Through the OData API. So this is great. And another thing I will show you on a different record. So I have here two associated records, and I will open this record up. View relationships. So with relationships, you also see how they are named. That's one thing, because that's not always that easy, because here sometimes you see there is uppercase letters suddenly and not like everything else lowercase. And let's take a look. We can also see all the related records. So even, I don't know, you've hidden the relationship or something from the form, you can still view them here without a problem. And in this case, for example, this associated. Or I just click open in Web API, then again, I'm at this different record for showing the data, editing it, or maybe just deleting the row. If you somehow got to record not by this, but let's take a look if I have it somewhere. Here I have it. The one, so I got to the Web API without this plugin. I can just add the German keyboard, hashtag P at the end. And let me refresh it. And then you can see it will print it like this. So you can do it from all the different records. Just remember this hashtag P here at the end. And that's everything I wanted to show you from my side. This is a great plugin, and I think every developer should have it.